Welcome to the first part of our Ontario road sign series. Whether you're preparing for your G1 test or just brushing up on your driving knowledge, this is the perfect place to start. We'll be covering 120 essential road signs that every driver in Ontario must recognize. Stay focused, take notes, and get ready to put your knowledge to the test. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part. Let's dive in and see how well you know Ontario's road signs. Question 1. What does this road sign indicate? A. Speed limit zone. B. Speed restriction. C. Maximum speed limit. The correct answer is C. This sign marks the maximum speed limit. Question 2. What does this road sign mean? A. Yield. B. Stop. C. No parking. That's right. B. This sign tells drivers to stop. Question 3. Can you identify this road sign? A. Pedestrian crossing. B. School crossing. C. No pedestrians. You got it. A. This sign marks a pedestrian crossing. Question 4. What does this sign indicate? A. Stop. B. Yield. C. No entry. Correct. B. This sign gives a yield warning. Question 5. What does this road sign represent? A. Cross other side. B. Pedestrian crossing zone. C. No pedestrian access. You're spot on. A. This sign indicates that pedestrians should cross to the other side. Question 6. What does this sign indicate? A. Dangerous goods route. B. No hazardous materials. C. End of speed limit. That's the one. A. This sign designates a dangerous goods route. Question 7. What does this sign tell drivers? A. No stopping. B. No parking. C. No parking. Well done. B. This sign prohibits parking. Question 8. What does this road sign mean? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. C. No U-turn. Absolutely. A. This sign indicates no right turn. Question 9. Can you identify this road sign? A. Truck route. B. Truck access only. C. No U-turn. Good choice. A. This sign designates a truck route. Question 10. What does this road sign indicate? A. Pedestrian and bicycle zone prohibited. B. No pedestrians or bicycles. C. No turns allowed. The correct answer is B. This sign prohibits pedestrians and bicycles. Question 11. What does this road sign mean? A. Bicycle lane only. B. No vehicle in bicycle lane. C. Reserved bicycle lane. Correct. C. This sign marks a reserved bicycle lane. Question 12. What does this road sign indicate? A. Snowmobile route. B. Snowmobile crossing. C. No U-turn. Yes. A. This sign marks a snowmobile route. Question 13. Can you identify this road sign? A. Bicycles permitted. B. Cycling zone allowed. C. No left turn. That's right. A. This sign permits bicycles. Question 14. What does this road sign mean? A. Stop for oncoming traffic. B. Yield to oncoming traffic. C. No access. Well done. B. This sign warns drivers to yield to oncoming traffic. Question 15. What does this road sign indicate? A. Walk your bike. B. Bicycle zone. Only. C. Dismount and walk. The correct answer is C. This sign tells cyclists to dismount and walk. Question 16. What does this road sign mean? A. No left or right turns. B. No straight through or right turn. C. One-way street ahead. That's correct. B. This sign prohibits straight through or right turns. Question 17. What does this road sign indicate? A. No right turns. B. No turns. C. Lane ends right. You're right. B. This sign prohibits all turns. Question 18. What does this road sign mean? A. No U-turn. B. Turn around prohibited. C. No U-turn. That's the one. A. This sign indicates no U-turn. Question 19. Can you identify this road sign? A. No left turn. B. No straight through. C. Overtaking prohibited. Absolutely. B. This sign prohibits drivers from going straight through. Question 20. What does this road sign indicate? A. Snowmobile access forbidden. B. No snowmobiles. C. No overtaking allowed. Well done. B. This sign prohibits snowmobiles. Question 21. What does this road sign indicate? A. Overtaking lane. B. Lane ends, ahead. C. Passing lane ahead. You got it. C. This sign warns of a passing lane ahead. Question 22. What does this road sign mean? A. Overtaking allowed. B. Passing permitted. C. All directions allowed. That's correct. B. This sign indicates that passing is permitted. Question 23. Can you identify this road sign? A. Wrong way sign. B. Do not enter, wrong way. C. No left or right turns. The correct answer is B. This sign warns drivers with a do not enter wrong way message. Question 24. What does this road sign indicate? A. No entry sign. B. Restricted access. C. Parking allowed only. Yes. A. This sign marks a no entry area. Question 25. What does this road sign mean? A. Trucks prohibited. B. No trucks allowed. C. Heavy trucks prohibited in this lane. You're right. C. This sign prohibits heavy trucks in the designated lane. Question 26. What does this road sign indicate? A. Keep left. B. Keep right. C. No large trucks. Correct. B. This sign instructs drivers to keep right. Question 27. What does this road sign mean? A. School zone, maximum speed limit. B. Maximum speed in school zone. C. No trucks beyond this point. That's the one. A. This sign sets the school zone maximum speed limit. Question 28. Can you identify this road sign? A. No parking. B. No stopping. C. Heavy traffic prohibited. Well done. B. This sign means no stopping is allowed. Question 29. What does this road sign indicate? A. Two-way traffic. B. One-way street. C. One-way. Yes. C. This sign designates a one-way street. Question 30. What does this road sign mean? A. One-way street. B. Two-way traffic. C. Two-way traffic. You're correct. B. This sign indicates two-way traffic ahead. Question 31. What does this road sign indicate? A. Do not pass. B. No passing zone. C. Do not pass. That's the one. A. This sign prohibits passing. Question 32. What does this road sign mean? A. Trucks over 5 tons prohibited. B. No heavy trucks. C. End of snowmobile route. You got it. B. This sign means no heavy trucks are allowed. Question 33. Can you identify this road sign? A. No tractors. B. No heavy vehicles. C. No bicycles beyond this point. Correct. A. This sign prohibits tractors. Question 34. What does this road sign indicate? A. Do not pass bicycles. B. Bikes not allowed. C. Bicycle only path. That's correct. A. This sign warns drivers not to pass bicycles. Question 35. What does this road sign mean? A. Maximum speed changes ahead. B. Speed adjustment zone. C. Maximum speed changes ahead. You're right. A. This sign warns that the maximum speed limit is changing ahead. Question 36. What does this road sign indicate? A. No left turn on red. B. No right turn on red. C. Turn allowed at red. Correct. B. This sign prohibits right turns on red. Question 37. What does this road sign mean? A. No bicycles. B. Bicycle access forbidden. C. Dangerous cargo route. That's the one. A. This sign prohibits bicycles. Question 38. Can you identify this road sign? A. Hazardous materials prohibited. B. No dangerous goods. C. Dangerous goods not allowed. You're correct. B. This sign bans dangerous goods from the area. Question 39. What does this road sign indicate? A. No restrictions. B. All movements permitted. C. All movements permitted. Well done. B. This sign indicates that all movements are permitted. Question 40. What does this road sign mean? A. Straight through or left turn only. B. Right or straight only. C. Give way to traffic. You got it! A. This sign allows drivers to go straight through or turn left only. Great job on completing Part 1 of our Ontario Road Sign series. But there's still more to learn. Part 2 is coming next, so be sure to check it out and keep sharpening your knowledge. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Click here for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.